3 sin inverse to tan alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha minus 4 cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. So tan square alpha, okay, put the value tan square alpha plus 2 tan inverse 2 tan alpha by 1 minus tan square alpha is equal to pi by 3. 3 sin inverse, that is sin 2 alpha. 4 cos inverse cos 2 alpha. 2 tan inverse tan 2 alpha is equal to pi by 3. Okay, now 3 times of 2 alpha, 4 into 2 times of 4 into 2 alpha plus 2 into 2 times of alpha, and that is pi by 3. 6 alpha, 8 alpha and 4 alpha minus pi by 3. 10 minus 2 alpha. 2 alpha is equal to pi by 3. So alpha is equal to pi by 6. So alpha means that is the x is equal to tan alpha. So taking tan on both sides, tan alpha is equal to tan pi by 6. So tan alpha means x, tan alpha means x. So x is equal to tan pi by 6 and tan 30. Tan 30 means 1 by root 3. This is the value. Okay. Solve this equation. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse 2x is equal to pi by 3. So some of the sin inverse figure are transferred to the right hand side like sin inverse x, and let assume that sin inverse x is equal to alpha. So sin alpha is equal to x. So now twice x is equal to sin of pi by 3, and this will be alpha, which is laid out, and twice x is equal to sin by pi by 3 and cos alpha minus cos pi by 3 and sin alpha, and 2x. This is 60. This is root 3 by 2. If sin alpha is equal to x, then cos alpha equal to root over 1 minus x square. And this is 60. This is half, and sin alpha means x. And x by 2 plus 2x is equal to root 3 by 2 into root over 1 minus x square. Squaring both sides, that is 5x by 2 squaring, and this is 3 by 4 into root over 1 minus x square, and solve the figure. Okay, got the answer of x. 25 by x square by 4 plus 3x square by 4 is equal to 3 by 4, and 28x square by 4 is equal to 3 by 4. 4 cancel out, so x square equal to 3 by 28. So x is equal to plus minus dobo as pi by 3. This is the lie on the first ordinate. Always give us the value of x is positive. So x is equal to root 3 by root 28. It is check করে নেবে তোমরা. Now see here 12 by x ওই একই একটা cos inverse কে সবসময় ট্রান্সফার করে sin inverse cos inverse লেফটে ট্রান্সফার করে, and it will be 90 minus cos inverse, that is sin inverse 5 by x, and cos inverse 12 by x, and sin inverse that equal to cos inverse root over of 1 minus x square, that is 25 by x square. So cancel out the cos inverse, then we got 12 by x is equal to root over 1 minus 25 by x square. Squaring both sides, 144 by x square is equal to 1 minus 25 by x square, and if you transfer করলে 169 by x square is equal to 1. So x square equal to 169, and also see that this is pi by 2 lie on the first ordinate, so always the value of x will be positive. So x is equal to taking positive 13. নেগেটিভটা ধরা যাবে না. Okay, see the question. We have to show this figure and prove that, and this will be right hand left hand side 3 tan inverse. এই দিকটা ভালো করে প্রসিড করো, দেখো কি করছি, 2 দিয়ে গুণ করলে 4 to root 3 হয়ে গেল, অ্যান্ড ট্যান ইনভার্স কেন করছি একটু ওয়েট করো, বুঝতে পারি। 3 ট্যান ইনভার্স অ্যান্ড 2 বাই এটা হচ্ছে √3 + 1 হোল স্কোয়ার হয়ে গেল, অ্যান্ড ট্যান ইনভার্স হাফ। দিস ইজ ট্যান ইনভার্স, টুটা এখানে থাকলো, একটা √3 - 1 এর কনজুগেট দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করছি, একটা √3 + 1 রেখে দাও, দেন একটা √3 + 1, দেন অ্যানাদার √3 - 1, নিউটা পার্টে মাল্টিপ্লাই করছি, সেই ফিগারটার দিকে তাকিয়ে দেখো। অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ ট্যান ইনভার্স হাফ, 3 into tan inverse √3 - 1, 2 times of that, and this is √3 + 1, and their multiplication is 2 here, 2 to cancel out হয়ে গেল, and then minus tan inverse of half, and this is equal to 3 tan inverse √3 তে যদি ডিভাইড করি, then we got 1/√3, 1 - 1/√3 আর 1 + 1/√3 আর minus tan inverse half, and there tan inverse এখানে দেখো tan π/4 লিখে দাও, this is 45, আর এখানে tan 30 মানে 6 হয়ে যাবে বাই 30, 30 লিখে দাও, and 1 - 1 + 45 and tan 30, okay, and minus tan inverse half, 3 tan inverse tan 45 - 30, that is 15, okay, this is 15 degree, and minus tan inverse half, and 3 times tan inverse tan কেটে গেল, 3 times of 15 degree, and tan inverse half, this is 45 degree, 45 degree minus tan inverse half, and 45 degree is equivalent to tan inverse 1, okay, this is tan inverse 1 means tan inverse 45, tan inverse tan 45, this is 45 minus tan inverse half. We can apply the formula tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, this is tan inverse 1 minus half by 1 plus half, and we got tan inverse 1/3 here, see, okay, this is the right hand side. এই ফর্মের প্যাটার্নটা একটু আগেই হয়েছে, so you can write the formula tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. এখানে লিখছি replacing √1 minus b by 1 plus b into tan of x/2 in place of x. in plus হবে এখানে x এর জায়গায় আমরা এটা রিপ্লেস করব, then 2 tan inverse √of a minus b by a plus b and tan of x/2, and that is cos inverse 1 minus x square, this is x square, this is whole thing is value x, a minus b by a plus b, and this is tan square sin square x/2 by cos square x/2, tan squareটাকে এইভাবে ভেঙে দাও, and now 1 plus a minus b স্কোয়ারটা উঠে গেল, and tan স্কোয়ারটাকে লিখে দাও sin square x/2 by cos square x/2, and taking LCM both the numerator part, you got cos inverse, see here, taking LCM a plus b into cos square x, same as this a plus b into cos square x, so both are cancelled out from the numerator, both the part. Achha, see here, a plus b into cos square x/2, same as this is minus a minus b into sin square x/2, same as a plus b into cos square x/2 plus a minus b into sin square x/2, and multiply numerator part by 2 দিয়ে দাও, এখানে একটা 2 দিয়ে দাও, এখানে একটা 2 দিয়ে দাও, এখানে 2 দিয়ে দাও, এখানে 2 দেয়, then got the formula যেমন 2 cos square x/2, that is 1 plus cos x, or c cos inverse that, so a plus b 2 times of cos square x/2, that is 1 plus cos x, again a minus b and 2 sin square x/2 it will be 1 minus cos x, same as a plus b 1 plus cos x plus a minus b same as 1 minus cos x. If we multiply and simplify the figure, then we got the answer a cos x plus b same as a plus b cos x. This is proved. See, from left hand side, tan inverse half tan 2x, that is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. No, এটা যেমন আছে রাখো, tan inverse half tan 2a, and we can apply the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So that is tan inverse cot a plus cot qa by 1 minus cot a